Okay, part 8 of the Transporter T4 to camper. The grille back on, well happy with that. The wing mirrors on, I think that was a new one, and the rear lights are on, and wipers. I managed to pick up a couple of captain's seats, so that was the one that came out of mine. So these two, I managed to take the arm off that one onto this, and the base off that one onto that, because this base was gone there. So now I've got a really good captain's seat. Also the headrest, I'm taking that one off and putting the Inca fabric one on. So that's perfect. So the next shots will be of it all cleaned up. But that's in fantastic condition there. All the arms work correctly, stable, everything. Right, give that a clean. Job done. Super clean captain seat. That's in immaculate condition as well. No marks, no wear. Just shove that in front of the heater for a bit and then get it in the van. That's the seats back in, so you've got a double swivel and a captain seat, all original in Inca fabric. Superb. That's just about as, well for me, about as good as you could get with the T4. Just go around the other side. Spot on. There is another headrest, I think that's a larger. Might put the smaller, in fact I'll both headrests with the vehicle. There's another one of those, that looks a bit bigger. Not seen that before. Anyway, there's two. Leave it with the vehicle. Armrest's all good. Adjustable there. Higher, lower, whatever. I've noticed with the swivel seat you need to push the armrest back to get it round, but that would be back anyway. Yeah, all good. Just drying out slightly. Lovely condition. I mean, considering that's what, I don't know, 20 odd years old. Superb. Give it another clean after when it's dry. So it's a cab coming along. I'll get on to I'm just putting it back together at the moment. Might be doing the roof lining in this video. Okay, onto the roof lining. That's not going to get it to balance on the chair. There's no way, you know, I just can't do anything with that. I've seen these re-glued back on again, but they just look absolutely dire. You can, as soon as you touch them with anything, they all sag again. So what I normally do, what I'm going to do now, off, and then it's a mucky job, but you've got to rub all of this foam off, which literally just rubs off. I've done it with my fingers before, which was horrible, so I'll find something to get that off and then I'll carpet it. Okay, that seems to be working. A whole brush and a vacuum. Just using the opening there and crack on with that, get that scrubbed off. That's the headlining carpeted. Stanley blade out all the holes, fold them back. Same with the lights, aperture there. Those are for the sun visors. See here, because it's the stretch carpet, it pushes into all the contours. Gives a good finish. So I'll get that back on and then start building up all the wash the cab plastics and build up the cab back up. That's the roof lining all covered. The original VW lights fittings back in. There'll be LED bulbs in there. I'll probably also fit battery operated push lighting as well, and that goes all the way through to the cab. You can see that makes a bit of a lighting. What's it going on there? I'm creating a bit of a shadow, but you can see there, makes a massive difference. totally different. Just need to put the little plastic covers on the bits there, and I've left the rear pieces off here as I'm going to carpet all the way around there. But yeah, massive difference. Okay, I've got 2 sheets of 5mm ply now, so I'm going to cut that one, obviously minus the window, and I'm not too sure what else I've got. I think I've got the other pieces, but this piece I definitely haven't got. Okay, that's all the plywood cut. It's not in situ, I just sort of placed it where I need to put it. So I normally put a C on the area to carpet. It's easy to carpet the wrong side. You do it once and never again. So now I'll carpet the arches, take all these out, carpet them. One for the side door there. I'm still yet to cut the back door panels out of old ply. Basically, I'd run out of this 2 sheets I bought. Excuse me. So I'll carpet those next, and then do all the pieces that you, obviously these pieces here need carpeting around the window. Yeah, I can do that. I'm taking the window out and putting it back in again, but it won't make any difference as the window rubber is in place. Push the carpet in there. So arches first. Okay, that's the both arches done. The back panel there, side door panels on, back panel, and below the side window. But I'm going to have to stop this video here because I should have got the windows out earlier. This gap here, I can't carpet up to the window rubber because I've got to take all of this out, bring the window in by clamping these 2 pieces together. That's what's keeping the window away. Then I can finish it off. So I'm going to finish this one here. Also the back doors to do, but getting there, looking good. Okay, thanks for watching.